Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our exercise 2.7. So in this exercise we have to find actual and estimated answer. So first of all you have to know about what is actual. Actual means real. Actual means real. जो वास्तव होता है reality. Okay, and estimated means approximate. So in estimation you have to find approximate answer. Approximate means nearby. So how to find nearby? For nearby answer, first of all we have to find their rounding numbers. Okay, when we find rounding number and then we solve, that is called estimation. Okay, rounding numbers, if we are adding rounding numbers, so that is called estimated sum. If we are subtracting rounding number, so that is estimated difference. If we are multiplying rounding number, so that is estimated product. And if we are dividing rounding number, so that is estimated quotient. Okay, so here we have to do plus, minus, multiply, divide. Word problems are there. So according to the question we have to do the operation. Okay, so let me start question number 1. There is given Lena just transferred rupees 35,405 from her bank account. Means Lena ने अभी just means अभी transferred rupees 35,405 from her bank account. उसने अपने बैंक अकाउंट से ये रुपीस अभी ट्रांसफर किए हैं. As a result, the account now has rupees 50,236 left in it. Okay, 50,236 रुपीज जो है अभी उसके अकाउंट में बचे हैं. So how much money was there in her bank account before transfer? Transfer means from one account to second account when we move the amount. That is transfer of amount. So before transfer, how much amount in her account? उसके अकाउंट में ये ट्रांसफर करने से पहले कितने रुपए थे, अब आपको ये बताना है. तो ये अमाउंट जो दिस अमाउंट इज ट्रांसफर्ड एंड नाउ दिस मच अमाउंट मींस 35,405 से ट्रांसफर्ड एंड नाउ इन हर अकाउंट देयर इज 50,236. ओके, सो फॉर बिफोर व्हाट विल वी डू, वी विल ऐड देम बोथ. पहले ये भी उसके अकाउंट में थी, ये तो अब है ही, and this one is also in her account. So before how much amount? For that we will do add them both. Okay, so now let me start our solution. So now we do here actual and here we have to find estimated. So in this question we will do addition. So we will write here actual sum. Okay, and here we write estimated sum. Okay, now first number is there, we no need to write sentences. Okay, directly because here is given that find the actual and estimated. So directly without sentence we will do the question. Okay, now here is first number is rupees 35,405 plus rupees 50,236. Okay, now we add them. Now 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 3 4. Now 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 5 8. Rupees 85,641. That's our actual sum. Okay, now here we have to find its estimated sum. So as I told you that estimated, how to find sum of rounding number. Okay, so first of all we have to find their rounding number. So as you know we have done in first chapter also rounding number. So rounding numbers means we have to make ones column 0 rounding numbers. Which are the rounding numbers? 10, 100, 1000. The number which have in ones column 0. 20, 30, 200, 300, 2000, 3000 means When we have in ones column 0, in ones tens 0, in ones tens 100 0, these are numbers called rounding numbers. So now there is not given, in first chapter there is given the fixed column. In 1.7 exercise you have done. So there is given fixed column, that rounding of tens, rounding of 100, rounding of 1000. But here is not given a fix. अब आपको कोई fix नहीं दे रखा. So in that condition what we do? We take the last. Last period is which? There is given 1000. So we have to find rounding of 1000. If we have last period is lakhs, so we will find rounding of lakhs. If last is 100, so rounding of 100. If last is tens, so rounding of tens. Which one is the last? जो हमारा last column होता है, last period, that rounding we have to find. So here is last one is 1000. So we have to find here rounding of 1000. Okay. So for rounding of 1000, what will we do? We will check our 100 column. What is in 100 column? 4. 4 is less than 5. So we will not increase 1000 column. So that will remain same. So there will be 35,000. So rounding number is rupees 35,000. Okay. Now second. Now its rounding we have to find. So again there is also till we have 1000 period. So 1000 period, in 1000 period we have 50,000. So we have to check here 100 column. In 100 there is 2. 2 is less than 5 again. So we can't increase it. So that will remain same. So that will be 50,000. So we write here rupees 50,000. Now we add them. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, and there is rupees symbol. So rupees 85,000. That's her estimated sum. So this is actual and this is estimated. So we can write here. So actual sum equals to rupees 85,641, and here we write estimated sum. Estimated sum means sum of rounding numbers. So estimated sum equals to rupees 85,000. That's your answer. Okay, यही आपको बताना था, actual and estimated. So that's your answer. Now question number 2. Meena had collected 15,785 stamps till last year. Last year तक जो मीना है उसने 15,785 stamps collect की. Okay. She was gifted with another lot of 4,290 stamps. She was gifted means उसको gift में मिले with another lot. Lot means people. Another लोगों से, people से उसे 4,290 stamps जो है वो gift में मिले. So how many stamps does she have now? अब उसके पास कितने हो गए? ये तो लास्ट ईयर तक थे उसके पास. And she get 4,290 stamps as a gift from another people. Okay. So now how many stamps does she have now? अब उसके पास कितने हैं? तो for that we will do plus. We have to add them both. So you get that how many stamps she have now. Okay. So for that now we start solution. Actual sum and we have to find estimated sum. So here is actual sum. And here we have to find estimated sum. So first of all actual we have to write. First number is what? 15,785 stamps. And now 4,290 stamps. So where we have to write 4,000? Down of 5. 4290 stamps. Okay. Now what will we do? For actual sum we have to add them. So now we will do addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 9, 17. 1 carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1, 2. So 20,075 stamps. Okay. Now we have to find its estimated sum. So for estimated, what we do? We have to find their rounding numbers. So as I told you that we have to find rounding number because there is not given fixed that rounding of tens, 100, 1000, whatever is there. So for that we will take last one period. Last period is 1000. So we have to find a rounding of 1000. So for rounding of 1000 we check 100 column. There is 7 in 100 column. So it is more than 5. Whenever we have 5 and more than 5, so we increase here in the 1000. And whenever we have less than 5, then we don't increase. So here is 7. So now we increase it. So 5 will become 6. So rounding is 16,000. So here is 16,000 stamps. Now here is 4. Last is 4,000. So we have to check 100 column. What is in 100 column? 2. 2 is less than 5. So we will not increase it. So it will be 4,000. So there we write 4,000 stamps. Now we add them. So we add them now. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry 1 plus 1, 2. So what's the rounding number? Estimated sum 20,000. So this is the answer, 20,000 stamps. Okay. Now here we write actual and estimated. So we write here. So actual sum is equals to how much? 20,075 stamps. And now we have to find estimated. Right here estimated. Estimated sum equals to 20,000 stamps. Okay, beta. So this is actual sum and this is estimated sum. That's your answer. Now, next question number 3 we will do. Question number 3. Recently, the value of Diwan's mutual fund decreased by rupees 2,89,638. Okay, Diwan's recently means currently, abhi. The value of Diwan's mutual fund, Diwan mutual fund है उसकी value जो है वो decrease हो गई. How much decrease? 2,89,638. Okay, if his fund worth, अगर उसकी जो फंड की वर्थ मीन्स वैल्यू ₹6,23,899, अगर उसकी जो फंड की वैल्यू थी पहले जो वैल्यू थी वो 6,23,899 थी, देन हाउ मच इट वर्थ नाउ. तो अब उसकी कितनी हो गई? बिकॉज दैट इज डिक्रीज. सो डिक्रीज मीन्स अब कम हो गई उसकी. 4 प्लस व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल डू माइनस, because previously that one and this one decrease. So this number we have to minus from this. Okay. So let me start solution. Actual. Now there we will do minus. So we will write here actual difference. And here we have to find estimated difference. Okay. Now actual, how much amount is previously? 6,23,899. So rupees 6,23,899 minus rupees 2,89,638. Now we do minus here. So now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Now we can't subtract, so we will take borrowing. So there will be 1 and there will be 13. Now 13 minus 9, 4. Now again we can't subtract, so we will take borrowing. So there will be 5 and there will be 11. Now 11 minus 8, 3. And 5 minus 2, 3. There is rupee symbol. So actual, now what's the actual worth? Actual worth is rupees 3,34,261. This is the actual worth now. Now we have to find estimated worth. Okay. So for estimated we have to write their rounding numbers. So you will see that there is the last column is of lakhs. Last period is lakh. Okay. So we have to find rounding of lakh. If last is 1000, so we have to find rounding of 1000. Now there is lakh. There is in lakh, there is 6. And now for the rounding of lakhs, we have to check 1000 column. So here is how much 1000? And 10,000, 2. And if we check complete 1000, so 23,000. 23,000 is less than 50,000. So we have to check less than 5 or more than 5. So we will see that 2 is less than 5. That means 6 will remain 6. It will be not 7. If there is 5 and more than 5, so it will be 7. But now there is 2, so it will be 6. So rupees 6 lakh. Okay. Now second number is there. There is 2 lakhs. So we check here 10,000. There is 8. 8 is more than 5. So we increase this lakh. So 2 will be 3 because here is more than 5. Whenever 5 and more than 5, so we increase lakh. So 2 will be 3. So rupees 3 lakh. Okay. Now we have to find their difference. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 6 minus 3, 3. So what's your answer? 3 lakhs. Estimated difference is 3 lakhs. So we write here. So actual difference equals to rupees 3,34,261. 3,34,261. This is the actual. Now we write here estimated difference. Estimated difference equals to rupees 3 lakhs. That's your answer. Okay, beta? That is your answer. Like this you have to solve. This is your question number 3. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. A factory produces 18,426 cars every month. Every month means हर एक month में 18,426 cars produce मतलब बनाती है. Okay. Then how many cars are produced in a year? You have to find here in a year. So as we know that in 1 year there is 12 months. Okay, because there is given every month. So we have to convert year also in months. Because every month is given here, so 1 year has 12 months. Now we know that how many cars produced in 1 month, and we have to find 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. So for that what will we do? We will do multiply, because we know the value of 1 and we are finding more than 1. So for more than 1 we do multiply. When we know the value of 1 and we are finding more than 1, so in that condition we always do multiply. Okay, so here is 18,000. Here we write start solution actual, but multiplication answer is called product. So we write here actual product, and there is estimated product. Actual product and estimated product. Now actually we have 18,426 cars. 18,426 cars in 1 month, and there is, we have to find in a year. In a year means 12 months. So multiply by 12. So directly you can speak the table of 12 and then you can multiply. Otherwise you have to write up and down and then you have to multiply. So here we have to write up and down. 18,426 multiply by 12. Now 2 6 are 12. 1 goes carry. 2 2 are 4. 4 or 1 5. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Now close 1's column. 1 6 are 6. 1 2 are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1. Now we add them. 2 1 5 plus 6 11. 1 goes carry. 10 or 1 11. 1 goes carry. 6 plus 4 10 or 1 11. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 8 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. Okay. So how many cars? 2,21,112 cars produced in the year. Okay. Now we have to find its estimated product. So firstly we find rounding number of this. This last column is 1000. Okay. So we have to find rounding of 1000. Now for that we will check 100. In 100 there is 4. This is less than 5. So we will not increase it. So it will remain 18,000. So here is 18,000 cars multiply by. Now we have to find 12 rounding number. So this last column is of tens. So for that we will check ones column. There is in ones column 2. It is less than 5. So tens column will remain same. So it will be 1 and after that 0. So rounding of tens there will be 10. 12 is near to 10. Not near to 20, it is near to 10. So multiply by 10. So multiply by 10 directly we can do. Because multiply by 10, 100, 1000, I told you that directly we can do. The number same and after that one time 0. So 18,000 as it is and after that one time 0. So it's become 1,80,000 cars. Okay, this is our estimated product. So we write here actual. So actual product equals to 2,21,112 cars. And now here we write estimated product. Estimated product is how much? 1,80,000 cars. This is the estimation. Okay, that's your answer. Now question number 5. During the vacation, 16 families went on a trip which cost them rupees 2,16,352. जो है वेकेशन, आपकी समर वेकेशन होती थी तो आप लोग भी घूमने जाते थे इधर उधर, है ना, अपनी फैमिली के साथ. सो ड्यूरिंग द वेकेशन के टाइम में, छुट्टियों के टाइम में 16 फैमिली मिलके वेंट ऑन अ ट्रिप, एक ट्रिप पे गए तो उन्हें जो है वहां पे, जब आप ट्रिप पे बाहर घूमने जाते हैं तो उसके लिए पैसा भी खर्च होता है। तो कितने रुपीस कॉस्ट पड़ी उनको? 2,16,352। ओके, 16 फैमिलीज को इतने रुपए कॉस्ट, मतलब इतने उनके खर्च हो गए 16 फैमिलीज के। ओके, देन हाउ मच डिड ईच फैमिली पे? सो नाउ यू हैव टू टेल दैट ईच फैमिली, मतलब वन फैमिली कितने रुपए पे करेगी। 16 फैमिली मिलके ये रुपए पे कर रही है, तो वन फैमिली को तो कम होगा। जैसे आप पूरी क्लास जाती है तो पूरी क्लास के आपके 30 स्टूडेंट्स जा रहे हैं आप ट्रिप पे, तो 30 स्टूडेंट के 3000 हो गए, तो वन स्टूडेंट को तो कम पड़ेंगे। ये थोड़ी है कि वन स्टूडेंट भी 3000 देगा। सो फॉर वन देयर विल बी लेस, फॉर लेस व्हाट विल वी डू? We will do divide. I told you that when you know the value of more, you know the 16 families value, that 16 families paying these much amount. So each family, one family जो है वो less amount pay करेगी, for less we will do divide. Okay, so let me divide now. So here we have to find actual answer and here we have to find estimated answer. For actual what we do? Rupees 2,16,352 divided by 16. For actually we will do divided by 16. And here we have to do in estimation. So for estimated what will we do? We will find their rounding numbers. So there is last column is lakh. So we will find rounding of lakh. So rounding of lakh we will check here 1000. Okay, in 1000 what we have? 1. In 1000, in total in 1000 we have 16. In 10,000 we have here 1. And 1 is less than 5. So that means we will not increase it. It will remain 2 lakhs. So here is rupees 2 lakhs. Now divided by, now find its rounding also. So you will see that there is 16. 16 is near to 20 or 10? It is near to 20 because in one's column there is 6 and 6 is more than 5. So 1 will be increased, so it will be 2. So the answer is 20. So 2 lakhs divided by 20. Okay. So firstly we divide here actual and in that side we will do estimated. Okay. So now for actual 2,16,352 divided by 16. 2 digit in divisor, so in dividend also we will take 2 digit. Okay. Now there is in 2 digit 21. So we will recite the table of 16. 16 ones are 16. Now 21 minus 16, there is 5. Now we note down 6. Now we recite 16 table. 16 3 jar 48. 16 4 jar 64. 64 is greater than 56. So on the 4 number we have greater. So we will take on the 3 number. 16 3 jar 48. Now 16 minus 8. 8 and there is 0. Now we note down 3. Now we recite again 16 table. 16 5 jar 80. So we will take on the 5 numbers. 16 5s are 80. Now there is 3. Now we note down next. Next is 5. 16 ones are 16. 16 2s are 32. So we will take on the 2 number. There is 32. Now 5 minus 2, 3. Now we note down next. Next is what? 2. Again we recite the table of 16. 16 ones are 16. 16 2s are 32. So what's your answer? What's your remainder here? 0. And what's your quotient? 13,522. So that's our actual answer. Actual is rupees. Each family will pay rupees 13,522. Now we have to find estimated. According to estimation, what is there? There again we will do divided by 2 lakhs divided by 20. So 20 table is very easy. We should recite the table of 2 and with that we will take 0. That's become 20 table. Okay. So now We will take here 2 digit because there is 2 digit, so there also we will take 2 digit. So 20, so 21s are 20. Finish. Your remainder is 0. Then we note down next. 20 zeros are 0. Then again we note down next. Then 20 zeros are 0. Then we again note down next 0. So 20 zeros are 0. Then again next 0 we note down. Because every time we are having 0, so no need to write again and again downside 0, then 0, then 0. So you can note down here only. So that means again we put here 0. So what's your answer? 10,000. Okay. So actual is 13,522 and estimated answer is rupees 10,000. So we write here. So actual equals to rupees 13,522 and estimated answer is what? Rupees 10,000. That's your estimated answer. So here you have to find actual and estimated. So actually each family will pay rupees 13,522 and estimation is there 10,000. That's your answer. Okay, now your exercise is complete. Thank you.